A quick authenticity instruction on Lepu SARS-CoV-2 Antigen test kit for self-testing. Is this kit authentic? Ah, an authenticity mark. Let me check it out. Step 1. Scratch the cover on the mark to get the authenticity code. Step 2. Find the Lepu official website on the mark. Step 3. Open your browser, go to Lepu official website en.lepumedical.com, then go to the authenticity check page. Step 4. Type in the authenticity code in the searching box and click the searching button. Great! Can't wait to use it!